Okay, so here is a demo of a Proxstat, and you see that for the specific computer vision task, we are doing object detection. So Proxstat, we measure the accuracy and latency, and you see that when there are no competing applications, so no contention, Proxstat does about as well as FRCNN plus MF. FRCNN is the leading edge object detection algorithm, and median flow is the leading tracker. So we see a Proxstat is slightly better than FRCNN plus median flow in the absence of contention. Now, if you consider a case where you have resource contention on an embedded device, so this could be a mobile phone or it could be Jetson. Now, resource isolation on these embedded devices is inferior as opposed to server class machines. So you see that a Proxstat has an accuracy of 94% again, and in terms of latency, the latency shoots up initially, but because of the aggressive approximation by a Proxstat, the latency quickly recovers. In this case, latency, the lower, the better. However, you see in the case of FRCNN plus median flow, the accuracy is again about the same, but the latency stays high because it is not able to approximate. So essentially what a Proxstat is doing is for each frame, it is picking the minimum depth. So it is doing an aggressive approximation by picking the right approximation branch.
We have three different kinds of devices. The first one is NVIDIA Jetson Xavier, and the second one is NVIDIA Jetson TX2, and the third one is Raspberry Pi.
TigerStats is a tool developed by NVIDIA to report the memory usage and the processor usage of embedded devices, and JTOP is an open source tool on GitHub that helps visualize TigerStat data.
So I told you the story of Ambrosia, which is a data transmission reduction algorithm, and I told you the story of a Proxstat, which approximates object detection, which is a computational vision algorithm. And both of these are very relevant to the sensor nodes that are deployed in the farms in the WIN area. And funding is from National Science Foundation, from WIN, that is the Lilly Endowment, and from Army Research Laboratories. I feel like a testbed like this is very helpful to the outside world to simulate various conditions, whether it be conditions in the farm, whether it be conditions in the battlefield, or whether it be to deal with tele-robotic surgeries in the medical arena. With that, I'm very excited to present our testbed and the activities related to WIN in our lab, ICANN. Thank you.